This is the high-speed shuttle bus. We need to walk to the other side. Kuha lang tayo ng pass. Nung papunta dito, naligaw kami. Dito pala siya. Yes! Lalakad-lakay papunta dito sa elevator. Medyo malayo din siya though. So, the goal is to cross this bridge to go to the other side. Kasi nandun yung bus stop since they have the railings here. Bababa pala. Now I already have the high-speed rail pass. I'm just gonna go to the counter to change it to a physical ticket and let's go. I'm just gonna get the ticket because I didn't book in advance. We're going to Kaohsiung.
Kailangan ko na ng milk tea.
Just bought a ticket going back to Taoyuan Airport because tomorrow it's gonna be our flight. But since we have the 3-day unlimited pass, it's still gonna be covered. And right now, it's sobrang crowded dito sa airport. Kala ko airport siya kasi mukha siyang airport yung high-speed railway nila. And nasa Zoing station siya and medyo malayo siya to the actual city center, like 30 minutes away. Public transportation here, it's very convenient to go. We have unlimited pass called the MRT 2-day pass, so it's also covered. Yan, we already bought a ticket for tomorrow since it's gonna be Sunday and it's too crowded. Ibang-iba yung vibe dito. Marami ka rin magagawa kapag naka-high-speed train ka. I'm so excited. Mag-check-in lang kami. We're gonna take the train, the MRT connected sa station. Exit 2. Yes! Paglabas pa lang natin ng station, bongga na agad yung Formosa. I think this is one of the most beautiful stations I've seen. Napaka-colorful. And may mga nagtitinda rin dito ng mga damit. Ayan, lahat na lang binilhan. Oh. Ay. Una na ako. Ay, ganda. Itong hotel namin, 1,300 lang siya. Pero kapag weekends, umaabot ng 6K. So, yun yung na-realize ko. Man, linis. Ano? 5 PM na ngayon at we still have time to explore Pier-2 Art and Cijin Island since medyo mainit. The MRT is just 300 meters away from our hotel, so very convenient naman siya. Hello, sister! May sasakay sa Hamasen West. Yeah, and just find the exit 1 and you just need to walk 500 meters.
Walang dito pa.
Ano?
500 meters.
500 meters lang naman siya. Pwede rin kayo mag-rent dito ng U-bike. Paglabas nyo ng station, may mga U-bike, rental. Here at Pier-2 Art Center, and it's very accessible to get here. But now it transformed to one of Taiwan's most artistic spots. So we're just gonna roam around the area. Sarap din tumambay dito. Ang daming tambayan, tapos mga kainan. Sarap. Sarap ng may park. We just took MRT going to Gushan ferry. So this is the last stop, Hamasen. And just find the exit 1. 5 minutes lang yung ni-ride namin MRT and perfect dito mag-sunset since hindi na ngayon mainit, like 6 PM. We're gonna try to ride the ferry and it's only 5 minutes away. Child-friendly naman siya. Pwede rin kayo mag-rent dito ng mga motor. Then marami rin nagkalat na restaurants. I just searched Gushan ferry and now we arrived here. Hanapin lang natin yung entrance. I think dito lang tayo magbabayad ng ferry. And every 15 minutes naman, here, kalapit ng Starbucks, dun tayo bibili ng ticket. And every 15 to 20 minutes, meron namang ferry going to Cijin. Oh, wala pa na suklian dito. 30 NTD. Pwede ring easy card. And medyo mahaba lang yung pila natin. Doon meron silang for cash. Yun, mas accessible ko naka-easy card na. Tatap lang natin. Pay 30 per adult. Pasok na tayo. Lamig. Perfect time. Actually, 5 minutes lang talaga tong ferry going to Cijin. Press ko lang din for an experience of island life from the city, which is sobrang lapit lang talaga sa Kaohsiung. Kaya ang ganda rin, kita natin yung mga colorful houses doon, yung mga yachts. Yeah, it's just 5 minutes away from Kaohsiung. Now we arrive here in Cijin. It's a different experience kung gusto nyo maka-experience ng little bit of island life na modernized. Kalat ako kasi bakit hindi ba sila nagtatayo ng bridge? Kasi 5 minutes away lang naman siya. It's because dahil ito pala yung pinakamalaking port dito sa Kaohsiung. I think sa Taiwan. Dami dumadaong dito ng mga ship and isa to sa pinakamalaking daungan to go to other places here around the world. Medyo malayo pala yung mga spots dito so maghanap tayo ng rental ng bike kasi I think one of the highlights here is the Shell Museum which is on the other side. Kami na kami dito sa Cijin Street so nagkalat yung mga food stops dito, may mga restaurants din at yan, mag-food trip lang tayo at may mga parang dampa style siya. Akala ko enough na yung 2 hours dito, hindi pala, better if i-alam nyo yung at least half day. So mag-rent kami ng U-bike na lang with the use of single rental. Make sure nyo na mag-register lang. Although may 3,000 NTD deposit, it's refundable naman so it's okay. And yeah, unfortunately yung mga rental dito, nagko-close sila at 8 PM. It's already 8:20 PM right now. So medyo late na kami. Actually, goal ko talaga is sunset dito. So make sure at least 4 PM or 5 PM nandito na kayo para mas makita natin siya ng maliwanag kasi ang ganda talaga ng beach dito. Yes, ordered this around, I think 1,000 pesos. Yan, food trip muna tayo dito. Nadaanan ko lang siya along dito sa Cijin Street. So, nakakagulat, this is just around 1,000 pesos. Kaya sulit na sulit. Actually, parang kagaya din siya sa atin sa mga binondo. Like, fried rice, sweet and sour fish, then oyster. At ang laki din ng serving ng grabe sila. Minute pa siya. Nakakamapasa. Lambot! Yes, we're gonna rent U-bike here. So, it's gonna scan this using rent via QR code. Pwede ko na siya i-unlock. Wow, so convenient. Ang bilis lang oh. Grabe, 1 minute. We're here right now at Liuhe Night Market. Actually, it's already 11 p.m. right now, pero buhay na buhay pa rin siya as of now. And this is my favorite night market kasi yung other night market, it's not very touristy, roofing. But this one, it's very accessible. Nasa baba lang siya ng Formosa Boulevard. At nagkalat yung mga food dito. Ang daming sobrang pagpipilian, nakaka-overwhelm lang. So, minsan dumadating na ako dito, nabusog na talaga. Tapos, kuha na ako ng pika-pika, then drinks. Everyone has the same idea of what to eat for breakfast because it's the most recommended here. But I'm gonna try something else because it's kind of long line here. I don't wanna line in the queue. Pass by this place. This is the address and it's just along the Liuhe Night Market, and I ordered this for around 100 NTD. So they have many options, but I chose this. So let's try it out. Tuna egg roll. Just along the Formosa Boulevard, you can see this one of the most famous temples here, which is Sanfong Temple. And right, it was built during the 19th century, and now it became a worship hub. Right now, there are some people worshiping.